We turn our attention now to Georgia, where former President Donald Trump was indicted by a grand jury last night.
The Fulton County District Attorney accused Trump and his co-defendants of election interference and charged them under Georgia's Racketeering Act. The DA says the defendants tried to illegally overturn the state's 2020 election results.
ABC's Rena Roy has the latest from outside the courthouse in Atlanta.
Former President Donald Trump now has 10 days to turn himself in his fourth indictment, this time in Georgia.
The grand jury believes they were part of the illegal effort to overturn the results of Georgia's 2020 presidential election.
Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis charging Trump and 18 others, including some of his closest allies, with racketeering, calling them a criminal organization that knowingly and willfully joined a conspiracy to unlawfully change the outcome of the election in favor of Trump. Trump is charged with 13 counts in addition to racketeering. He's accused of soliciting a public officer to violate his oath, conspiring to commit forgery, and conspiring to file false documents.
This is a more dangerous indictment for Donald Trump in the sense that with a federal case, if he wins the election, he can kind of make it go away. This case he can't do that with.
The grand jury heard testimony from several witnesses. Georgia's former Lieutenant Governor Jeff Duncan says he was one of them.
There's been a lot of misinformation for a number of years, and this is our opportunity to get the real story out. My hope is that Americans believe us. My hope is that Republicans believe us, that this election was fair and legal.
The probe, launched 2.5 years ago, sparked in part by this phone call to Georgia's Secretary of State when Trump appeared to pressure the top official to find the votes needed to win.
So what are we going to do here, folks? I only need 11,000 votes.
The DA hoping to take this to trial within the next 6 months as Trump's legal troubles continue mounting. He's facing roughly half a dozen cases in 4 different states, all while running for president.
Trump has denied all wrongdoing, his campaign team releasing a statement saying in part they are taking away Trump's First Amendment right to free speech. Rena Roy, ABC News, Atlanta.